Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, job notification from 3 MNC companies. Let's get started. First, Genpact. Hiring for process associate insurance claims positions. In order to apply for this position, minimum qualification required includes candidates who have completed BCom, BBA, BA, BSc. Any non-technical graduates are eligible for this position. Freshers can also apply. Preferred qualification: good knowledge of using Excel, Access database, proficient in English language, both written and verbal. Insurance client experience will be added advantage, but not compulsory. Roles and responsibilities includes responsible to understand, comprehend, good customer service attitude, to clearly articulate resolution, responsible to handle varied volumes of workloads and to reach targets and deadlines on timely basis, responsible to demonstrate and cultivate customer focus, teamwork, accountability, initiative and innovation, required to demonstrate high level of personal integrity and investigation, negotiation skills, responsible to demonstrate high level of self-motivation, energy, flexible. Need to handle claims and queries. Candidate need to be flexible enough. We had 24/7 environment. Working knowledge of claims and settlements and client process. Freshers can also apply. Interested candidates can position. I'm going to provide link in description. Next, job notification from Edge Technologies. Job officially posted on March 15, 2021. Trainee programmer position viewers. In order to apply for this position, required skills: affordable, credible, and can communicate effectively with colleagues and clients. Good team player, quality focused, flexible, can-do attitude, enthusiastic in the pursuits of duties, proactive and responsible areas of expertise. Details of candidates are as follows. Selected candidates would get trained and opportunity to work on live projects in big data, cloud, analytics. Candidate with hacker rank medalist would be preferred, along with excellent academic scores are preferred. Minimum 60% marks throughout in academics. Applicants from computer science, IT, electronics, communications are eligible to appear in the drive. Familiar with limited number of programming languages. Good understanding of software development life cycle and relevance of different tools at different stages of development life cycles. Aware of basic design principles, able to understand designs, good understanding of coding, data structure principles, application of coding standards, capable of working with limited supervision. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I'm going to provide link in this. Next, job opportunity from PayPal. Work location is Chennai and Bangalore. They are hiring for software engineering position viewers. In order to apply for this position, candidates who have completed their BE, BTech are eligible for this position. Job responsibilities includes understanding of core products and organization, develop prototypes and simulation of innovative improvements to the services, infrastructure and functionality. Focused on developing code. Code is well commented, typically improves after one or more code reviews. Will be involved in discussion with senior leader, architect about development plan and design. Produces code that is sufficiently supported by test units. Has basic understanding of technical concepts required for specialized field. Work with engineering, other cross-functional teams including research, project management, quality assurance, operations, etc. to develop great software that meets market needs with respect to functionality, reliability, performance and scalability. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide 3 important links in description. Through link you can apply particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.